What up, YouTube? It's your boy Ryker Buff 900 back with another video. I got the right thing this time. See that? Slingmods.com. I should have known before in the previous video. Most of Slingmod products come with that on there. That last video, when I thought that product was this product, and it ended up coming about a half an hour after I did that video. It came, and I was expecting this that day, not the GPS remote for the camera. But here it came. So I want to do unboxing on this here because I want to install it. And I was going to go outside and do it today, but it was too windy. But I still want to do an unboxing on this here. Okay, so we're going to open this up. And these are LED lights. That goes in the hand guards for the Can Am Ryker. They look nice. I haven't seen anybody in New York, or there's nobody that I know. Somebody else may have them, pretty sure, but anybody I know yet to have them. I want to read this to y'all. Let me get my glasses because my brother can't see the little words. This is Evolution R series plug and play add-on LED lights for the Can Am Ryker aluminum hand guards. It's a set. So, you know, on the hand guards, the aluminum hand guards, you got 3 little holes on both sides. So if you got the plastic piece in the hand guard, it's got the little plastic slots, right? That's blacked out. Well, these here replaces them with lights, with LED lights. So when you ride down the street, right on your hand, basically, you got the little lights. I have not seen no install video on Sling Mods or YouTube. I looked because I always like to know what I'm getting into, but I haven't seen none. So maybe my video will be the first one of its kind for these. Okay. First of all, these sound like they're metal, which is good quality. Pretty sure instead of plastic. No, these are plastic, but they're thick plastic. Okay. So I have these in it already. Okay. We got zip ties. 4 zip ties. And then you have the set. Okay, yeah. See? The set, see? So this would be basically the right side. So put your hand here, and this light's up here. And I guess you run this like it's going to sit right up under here. Like that. And run it. I see it's a plug and play. But what it plugs and play into? That's a good question. I see a book here, and we're going to see. Hopefully these are the instructions. Because Sling Mods didn't do a video on it. I ain't gonna be doing your job, Sling Mods. It's your job, not mine. Just joking, just joking. There's a little humor, Sling Mods. There's a little humor. So let's see what the install says about these things. Just want to close it up. So there's both sides. This would be, this look like this would be the right and the left, I'm assuming. We'll see in a minute. I feel like a lot of papers here. On-road kit handguard lighting. Okay. So you got instructions. All right, I can see if the lighting is too light, too dark in here. But look at the instructions. And a video would be nice. Okay. So you're going to pull up the left panel. You're going to run them up behind the console, the clocks. And down into the fuse block. Basically, that's what it's showing. Okay. You just tuck your wires. Alright. So you got some instructions here. Step 1, 2, and 3, you know. You got these over here. So I'm going to do an install on these. Hopefully this week. Maybe today is Saturday. Maybe Thursday. Maybe Thursday. Because I'll be off Thursday from work. Got some things to do. So maybe Thursday I can install this. Hopefully Thursday, y'all. And we can get that going. I don't even know how I had this in the box now. Ain't that something? Don't want to have it wrong. I see you got a plug, 2 plugs that look like they go basically behind where the fuse or the left panel where all the connections at. So I'm pretty sure it's easy. Hardest thing is probably tucking the wire so out of sight, out of mind. Basically, like the hardest thing of any of them. So there you have it. Plug and play LED handguard LED lights for the Can Am Ryker. I can't wait to put those on. I will be glad. And I'll hold on to my packing slip. That's going to take that outside right now in the garbage. Yes, I sat that there. This garbage is going out right now. Okay, that was a nice, quick, short little video. Just a little unboxing of another accessory, upgrade, mod, lights, visibility for the Can Am Ryker. And until the next one, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, family and friends. Ride safe. And I'm out. Peace. See you on the next one.